Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting and unconventional, the 2025 Dacia Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Dacia, known for its rugged affordability and no-nonsense vehicles, has stepped into the motorhome game. And while you might not have expected a camper from a brand more associated with budget hatchbacks and SUVs, what Dacia has done here is surprisingly clever. This isn't just a rebadged van with a few beds thrown in, it's a thoughtfully designed, accessible home on wheels aimed at new-age adventurers who want function, durability, and value. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Dacia Motorhome is built on the platform of the Dacia Jogger, but heavily modified. From the outside, it still holds that rugged Dacia charm, simple lines, high ground clearance, and functional design. The front end is bold but not flashy, featuring Dacia's signature Y-shaped LED daytime running lights, a wide grille, and a chunkier bumper to match the motorhome's adventurous personality. What sets this apart from other compact campers is its size and proportions. It strikes a nice balance, not as bulky as a full-size RV, but with way more capability than your average family van. It fits into standard parking spaces yet offers enough headroom for adults to stand up comfortably inside. The pop-up roof adds that essential vertical space and is equipped with insulated fabric and mesh windows for ventilation. On the road, it still looks like a car you can live with, rather than a monster RV that dominates every street it enters. Moving to the interior, this is where Dacia has done something really special. The layout is clever, and every square inch is used wisely. Despite its modest footprint, the motorhome offers sleeping space for up to 4 people, 2 in the fold-flat seats that convert into a bed, and 2 more in the pop-up roof compartment. The materials used are durable and easy to clean, with a mix of hard plastics and fabric inserts that make it feel warm but practical. There's a fully functional kitchenette that includes a 2-burner gas stove, a small sink with an electric water pump, and a compact 12V fridge. Storage is built into every nook, under seats, above the cab, and even in the floor in some models. You also get fold-out tables, integrated LED lighting, USB charging ports, and a portable toilet tucked neatly out of sight. It's not luxury, but it's well thought out, user-friendly, and made for real-world use. Now let's talk performance. The Dacia Motorhome isn't going to win any races, but it's surprisingly competent on the road. It comes with a choice of powertrains, a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing around 110 horsepower, and a hybrid option combining the 1.6-liter petrol engine with an electric motor. Both setups are tuned more for efficiency and reliability than speed, but that's exactly what you want in a camper. The 6-speed manual gearbox is standard, but there's an optional CVT automatic for those who prefer ease of driving. On long highway stretches, it cruises comfortably at 100 to 110 km/h without feeling underpowered. The steering is light, visibility is excellent thanks to the big windows and mirrors, and it handles better than you'd expect from a vehicle with a mini apartment in the back. One of the standout aspects is fuel economy. The petrol variant offers around 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, while the hybrid can go as low as 5.2, excellent for a camper. Combined with a 50-liter fuel tank, this gives you a pretty decent range between fill-ups, which is critical when you're exploring rural areas or off-the-beaten-path campsites. When it comes to tech, Dacia keeps things simple but effective. You get a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and basic driver assistance like lane keeping assist and emergency braking. Nothing extravagant, but it works well and doesn't distract you from the driving or traveling experience. One of the most appealing things about this motorhome is how affordable it is. Dacia has managed to keep the price significantly lower than most other motorhomes on the market, with a starting price around €29,000 for the base model and just under €35,000 for the fully loaded variant. That's a huge deal when you consider that most campers start at double that price. This affordability opens up van life and travel freedom to a much broader audience, from young couples and solo adventurers to small families who want to hit the road without selling their house. In terms of usability, this camper is designed for both weekend escapes and extended travel. The insulation is decent enough for 3-season camping, and with an optional diesel heater and solar panel pack, you can extend your adventures even further. The modularity is another win. You can strip out the interior components if you want to use it as a regular van during the week and then set it up for camping when Friday rolls around. Dacia has also paid attention to practical camping touches. There's an exterior awning that rolls out for shade or rain protection, optional roof racks for bikes or kayaks, and all-weather tires that give it some light off-road credibility. It's not a hardcore 4x4, but it can handle gravel roads, grassy campsites, and light trails with ease. As for downsides, you won't get the premium finishes or plushness of a Volkswagen California or a Mercedes Marco Polo. It's more basic. The engine options, while efficient, aren't powerful enough for steep mountain climbs with a full load. And although space is smartly used, you'll have to get used to living in tight quarters. It's still a compact van, not a palace on wheels. But that's the point. The Dacia Motorhome isn't trying to be luxurious, it's trying to be honest, affordable, and usable. And it nails that brief brilliantly. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Dacia Motorhome is a breath of fresh air in the camper van market. It offers just enough comfort, smart design, and road manners to make it a serious option for both beginners and budget-conscious travelers. Dacia has once again shown that with the right focus, you can deliver a product that doesn't break the bank and still lets you live the dream. If you're looking for a no